20 million people. 20 million people visit one city every year. And that city is not London, New York, or Mumbai. That city is a small dot on the map called... It is the world's most visited city. But why? Why? I mean, traffic, heat, and congestion are not very fun. And that's why my mom never visited Bangkok.
Oh my God, it's a different culture.
So, Agoda invited us on a trip to see how awesome this city is. First, Bangkok has... My mom and I stayed at this 5-star hotel for $110 a night. This one for $60 a night. And this hotel for $35 a night. $3 for food. And even 35 cents for noodles. The cheapest in Bangkok. And because my mom loves to feed people, she could buy 100 meals and give it to our friends without breaking the bank.
Enjoy, my children.
Bangkok has
Good food!
and the places. Bangkok is full of unique places that you will not see anywhere else in the world. Like this market, where you can shop and buy whatever you want. But all of a sudden... Train is coming! The market turns into a train track, where a train passes through and everybody has to make space. And this happens here 8 times a day!
It's crazy!
My mom was shocked. But most importantly, and this is true, Bangkok has good freedom! Yes! Thai hospitality is world class.
Thank you!
Wherever you go, to a hotel, or to a restaurant, or to the street, people will welcome you.
Bangkok! Bangkok! Bangkok!
Bangkok, with its noise and chaos and weather, didn't look too attractive for my mom. But with its good prices, good food, and good people,
I'm so happy to be here. And I'm more happy to be with you, son.
Bangkok has something for everybody. For me, you, my mom, and 20 million people.